Sargam Academy English Anayasam Samsarikan Sahayikuna E Patipatadiliki Everkum Swagatam. Friends, a hearty welcome to all. Now, let me tell you something about the simple preposition in and the common context in which it is used. In. See? The first context, it shows place or position of something or somebody. My uncle is in UK. My uncle is in Australia. My uncle is in US. See? Your phone is in the drawer. See? Your phone is in the drawer. In the drawer. Your phone is in the bag. In the drawer. Sophie is in that room. Where is Sophie? She's in that room. She's in the hall. She's in that room. Where is your apartment? My apartment is in this building. My apartment is in this building. In this building. So, in all these sentences, in shows place or position of something or someone. And here, context B, in, indicates time. Right? I visited Europe in 2016. Before the year, you put in. Before month also, you put in. I visited Europe in 2016. She joined the bank in March. She joined the bank in March. They finished the work in 3 months. That means they took the whole 3 months to finish the work. They finished the work in 3 months. In. See? I met Lee in the morning. I met Lee in the morning. I met Lee in the afternoon. I met Lee in the evening. In. So in these sentences, in shows time. Now here, condition. Another context. Context C. In context C, we use in to show a condition of something or someone. See? He is in debt. See? He has taken money, borrowed money from people, borrowed money from money lenders, and now he is in debt. So it shows a condition of that person. In debt. And Susan is in 20s. So Susan is in 20s. Susan is in early 30s. Susan is in late 20s. Susan is in 40s. It shows her age, a condition. And they are in trouble. They are in trouble. In trouble. See, shows a condition. They are in trouble. And the company is in crisis. The company is in crisis. In these sentences, in shows a condition. So generally, the simple preposition in is used in 3 contexts to show a place or position. Context A, context B, to show time, and context C, a condition. Thank you. Sargam Academy YouTube channel സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.